Hello, today I'm going to make these lovely little bows with you. They're made from paper, but they look fantastic on the top of your gifts, either at Christmas time or for birthdays. So the tools you will need to make the bows are some paper. I've made mine using a mould map, but you could use any kind of paper, a pencil, a ruler, glue stick, scissors and some sellotape. So I'll just move things to one side so I can get to my paper to start with. Now for this size bow, which is roughly about 11 centimetres from side to side, I'm going to need strips of paper about 2 centimetres wide by about 28 centimetres long. Okay, so first thing to do is measure the paper. So I'm just going to measure 2 centimetres from this end here, 2 centimetres at the top here, and then that should be around 28 centimetres long, so I'm just going to ruler across that way. Okay, once you've got your line, then you can then just cut your paper. Obviously, if you want a smaller bow, you need smaller strips of paper. So we need about 6 or 8 of these strips of paper. Now you'll see mine's a bit jagged there, so I need to just tidy that up a little bit. Because I'm sat behind the camera, I just can't see exactly what I'm doing. Just neaten that up a little bit. So like I say, depending on the thickness of your paper, 6 or 8 bows. So rather than sitting and just cutting them out with you, I'm just prepared some earlier on. So here we go. Lots and lots of these little pieces of paper. Now to make the actual bow itself, we need to twist these paper into shape. So what I need to do is to twist the paper into this little shape here, and then we make about 8 of those shapes and stack them up, and that makes the bow for us. So the first thing to do is take a piece of paper and at one end just twist it around to form a hoop. Okay, then the other end twist it around to form another hoop. Okay, and then a little piece of sellotape from the dispenser onto the centre there to hold everything in place. Okay, so that's the first one made, and then we need another 6 or 8 depending on how full our bow needs to be. So there's one, and then in Blue Peter fashion, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we need to then start building these up. So first of all, we take the first one, then with our glue stick, just pull the top off the glue stick, yep, and then we just put a big blob of glue right in the middle there, all over the sellotape and everything, and then take the next one and place it in a cross on top of the first one. Okay, see that? Then we take the next piece, and then again lots and lots of lovely glue in the middle there, and then place it acrossways, so we're forming a kind of star. Okay, the next one, again, nice blob of glue in the centre, and acrossways again, following on with the star shape. So see how it's building up now? Next one, so let's stick in the middle, and then the next one goes in. Next one, and I think actually we may just get away with just one final one. So glue in the middle, and pop your last one in, put your finger in there to make sure it's good and stuck down, and give it a little push, and there we go, one finished bow. How easy and simple is that? I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time. Bye.